Students, welcome to learn the programming language Python. So here we are going to study about the getting started with Python. So what are we going to learn? To describe about the introduction for Python, to know about the programming language in Python, to illustrate about the features, advantages of Python, to apply the steps for installing the Python window. Introduction of writing a program. While writing a program is understanding the problem well, analyzing it, and trying to solve it in a logical manner. The process of writing a program is called programming. Writing codes in a proper instruction, in a proper sequence, and the right context are the rules for the program. So, whenever we are writing any program in programming language, we must know the rules and instructions that how we can write the program. Here we are going to see about how we are going to write a simple program in the Python programming language. So before that we need to see about what is mean Python. Define Python. Python is a programming language that has stood the test of time and has remained relevant across industries and business among programmers and individual users. So the Python is a very good programming language. It can be just stood the test of time and it can be remained relevant across industries and business. Mostly the industry people also business, they are using lot of software based on the Python programming languages. So it became so popular among the programmer as well as with the individual users. Python programming language. Why is it called Python programming language? Because just as the reptile has a flexible body, the language is very easy, simple and flexible. And we need to know more information about the Python programming language. It is an open source, object oriented and high level programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at the National Research Institute of Math. It is based on the ABC language, a teaching language created to replace the BASIC which was developed earlier. So here I have written some basic language which we have done very earlier. Now this same language which is followed with the Python. There are some features of Python. Here you can see that it's very easy language, expressive, free and open source, high level language, portable, object oriented, extensible, embeddable, interpreted, large standard library, GUI programming and dynamically typed. Features of the Python programming language. It is an interpreted language, interactive language and directly executed with the pre-compiled code. It processed by the interpreter and not the compiler. So Python we are not using the compiler, we are using only the interpreter language so that it can be directly executed with some predefined codes. It can be loosely typed OOP language with a few keywords. Free, open source and portable language. There is very less time to develop those codes because it is very shorter program than Java. And it is an extensible, extendable and highly efficient as there is no wastage of time in declaring the variables. It is used for both scientific and non-scientific programming. Advantages of Python. So what are the advantages of Python? It is a platform independent. With any OS it can support and the readability code is very simple because it's a human readable form. It's a higher productivity. We can write less the coding and we can get more of the result. It's very less time to learn. So less learning time. The prior knowledge is not at all required. It's a GUI programming language, though it is called as a friendly language as well. Very easy to understand. It has large standard libraries and which are called as built-in libraries, which we have lots of predefined codes in that. It is a syntax highlighting code, very easy to follow the syntax as well. Installing the Python. So how can we install the Python? The Python can be downloaded from the given website, that is www.python.org. We also can use the version Python 2.x, Python 3.x. And also it is very advised to download the Python only above version 3. You can open the Python on any browser. So the requirement for installing the Python, you can have any OS like Mac, Windows 7 and above. So how can we install the Python window? So let's start the browser. So I'm going back to my window. So I'm starting the Google Chrome. So once I start the Google Chrome, you can just type in this address bar www.python.org. So once you click, you can see a official website of this Python. So here you can see that there is the option called download, and once you click on the download, you can see the latest version of the Python window. So once you start clicking on this Python window, Python 3.9.6 is given here. So once you start with this one, it starts downloading the Python window in computer. So here you can see the exe file. So after downloading this Python, we can start installing it. So this is the next window appears. So it's very important what you have to click. You have to click on install now. Then it is very compulsory, you have to click on both the tick mark in install launcher for all users, install Python 3.72 path. So once you put the tick mark in this box, all the predefined libraries will be downloaded along with this Python window. So when we go back to the next window, it shows that the setup progress. So when installing time, you can see a green color box will appear in this one window where you can see that the Python will be start installing in your computer. When the setup was very successful, then you can press the close button in this window. So how can you identify the Python in your computer? You can go to the start button. So once you are coming down to the Python folder, just scroll down. Once you take to the scroll down to this Python window, you can see Python 3.8 I have installed. So you can click on it, Python IDLE, Python 3.8 manual, then Python 3.8 module. So here is every module will be present. So here is the Python IDLE 3.8.32 window. The next step is you can also make the Python window in your taskbar. Python, you can pin it in the taskbar so that it is very easy to start your window very quickly. The next slide will show you how to check the Python IDLE. So you can go to your search box and then type Python IDLE. So once you click on it, you can see here the Python window is already started for us. So let's see about the Python window. To work with Python in different mode, there are two different modes in Python. One is interactive mode, another one is the script mode. What is the difference between the both? Each window will work very differently. Though Python is an interpreter language, the interactive mode window works like a command prompt window where you can get the output instantly. So if you type your code in your Python interactive mode, you will get the output then and there. Interactive mode window have this symbol. There are three greater than symbol will be appearing in your Python interactive mode. And when we can write the whole program in the script mode, we have to save as .py file and execute in the shell window. So let's see a small program how the Python window looks like. So when I click on search box, I am typing the Python IDLE. Now my script mode is started. So how can I check my Python shell window? You can go to the run button and click on the Python shell window where you can just, this is the interactive mode where you can see the three greater than symbol. So if you are typing a simple command print A, So now A is printed. So the output you are getting instantly. So this is the command where I'm executing it, and where I'm getting the output in the same window I'm getting the output. So when you are writing a very big program or large program, more than 3 codings, then you can use your script mode. Then you have to start to save your file as .py file and execute in shell window.